Hello everyone, welcome either to or back to my channel. I'm dyeing my hair again. I know it's been a couple of weeks. I missed a week posting a video. I'm really sorry about that. I got super ill. I had the flu, or maybe a strain of some type of, I don't think it was COVID, I don't know. I was just very ill for about 2 weeks and I just didn't have time to film anything because I was dying in bed behind me. Anyway, I'm gonna re-dye my hair. I don't have any more magic shadows, so the really dark blue, but I'm gonna be using blue velvet. If it focuses, yeah, I'm gonna be using blue velvet. It's still a dark blue, but it has a bit of a hint of purple to it, which I don't mind. But yeah, like the root area, as you can see, is very faded, especially underneath. It's just like, it's kind of almost just gone on the bottom layers. I think I've washed it 9 times since I dyed it, so not bad going. Could be worse. It's not like I've been using colour depositing shampoo and conditioner or anything. Like, I haven't done anything, so the ends are still like completely fine. Like the purple is kind of peeking through a touch, but I feel like it still looks quite blue. I'd say it lasted quite good, and I was also using like hot water and all that kind of thing. So yeah, now that I'm better, I'm gonna get back to my posting once a week schedule. So yeah, again, apologies for that. Was just super ill. I'm gonna get on with it because I'm kind of tired, so I just want to get this over and done with as quickly as possible. Also, before my light disappears. By the way, considering TikTok, I know they haven't made a decision yet as of filming this, but might be getting banned in the US, so if you're a US follower of mine. I also made a red note. I forget how to say it in Chinese, but yeah, if you want to follow me on there, you're welcome to do so. I'll be posting the exact same stuff across all of my platforms, so my short form content will be pretty much the same across Rednote, Instagram and TikTok, so you won't be missing out. If you like my short form content as well, you're able to find it across 3 different platforms if you want to. I'm gonna get myself ready and I'll be back with you in a minute. From what I can tell, it's definitely got kind of like a purple hue to it, which I'm completely fine with. As we all know, I love the colour purple, and that's never going to change, I don't think. I'm just going to dump out in there because I'm going to put some conditioner in it. For some reason, in my last TikTok that I did where I was dyeing my hair, when I put conditioner in it, people thought I was squirting mayonnaise into it. I don't know why that was what they assumed I was doing. There's a good like 10 or so people who were like, "Are you squirting mayonnaise in that?" And I was like, why on earth would I squirt mayonnaise in that? And why is that the conclusion you came to when you saw me squirting a product into a bowl of hair dye? Why was it not, oh, that's probably a hair product. Why was it mayonnaise? Anyway, I don't know. The internet never fails to amaze me. Okay, just for anyone asking, this is not mayonnaise, it's conditioner. Still can't believe people thought it was fucking mayonnaise. Okay, I think I got as much out of that as I'm gonna be able to get. Just mix it together. I just put a little bit more conditioner in because I ran out of my other one. And this one I don't use that much. It's really nice. It's just like, I don't know, I prefer the L'Oreal one that I keep banging on about. Sorry about that. It's just so good. I haven't found anything better than that. So I just sort of like stick to that one because it's my favourite. But I need to thin this out because my hair's really long now. Well, it's not really long, but it's just like a lot longer than it was like six to 8 months ago. So I could go through 2 tubs and that would be enough, but now it's like I need 2 tubs and I also need to thin it out. I could do with probably another tub, but I just don't have one on hand, so we're working with what we got. Okay, we're ready. I've got something on my laptop ready that's like an hour long because no doubt this will take forever because it always does. Let's get into it and I hope you enjoy. Okay, we're finally done. That took 50 minutes exactly. So not as bad as normal. I'm gonna let it sit for like an hour or so. Sadly, it's gonna be dark by the time I wash this out. I'm really sorry. Okay, I did try, but winter is thoroughly against me. Daylight savings are not fun. They're not my friend. So I'm gonna just clean myself up quickly because, as always, I have dye all over me. I actually have dye left over, which is crazy. That never happens. I'm not quite sure why, because I don't feel like I put that much conditioner in it, but I don't know. I'm just gonna clean this all off of me because blue stains like a bitch, as we know. Oh, well, this is satisfying. I like to carve myself out, like, it makes it look like I've got a helmet on. Makes me laugh. Oh, Jesus Christ. And once again, when I get in the shower, I'm gonna use an exfoliating mitt, like the little gloves, because it's the only way I can get all of the dye off of my skin, especially blue. I did not think it was this bad, but, you know, clearly I was wrong. People did tell me that blue sticks, but I didn't realise it was going to literally stain the seal around my shower. I didn't think that was going to happen, but sadly it did. I've just realised I've got dye on my arms. Oh, not that badly actually. Normally I'm a lot more of a mess than this. Okay. Just trying to get the majority off. I'm going to be stained blue for the next like 2 weeks, so you know, I've made my peace with that. It's okay. Oh, on my neck, right there. That's annoying. I feel like I did it quite neatly. Normally it's a lot more messy than this. I don't think I did too bad of a job. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for like an hour or so, as long as I can be asked really, because it gets to a certain point and then I start to feel really cold, and then it starts to give me a tension headache, which is so stupid, but it's the truth. And then I'm gonna want to wash it out. I know some people leave it on like overnight. I don't care enough to do that, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean the rest of my ears up and stuff, and I will see you in about an hour. Okay, ignore the little towel I have around my neck. It's just to stop my hair dye from getting on all of my clothes. It's been over an hour. I'm getting cold now, and I just want to wash it off. I want to have a nice warm shower and wash this all off and hope that my body doesn't turn blue. It probably will. Let's be real. But yeah, it's definitely looking a lot more blue than it was when it was in the pot. It had kind of a purple tinge, but no, it's definitely very blue. I don't know if it's just because it's dry, but we'll see what happens. I can't imagine it's going to make a huge difference to my hair colour because, you know, my hair was already blue, so putting a blue on a blue isn't going to make that much of a difference. But anyway, I will go and wash it off and I will be back. Okay, as you might be able to tell, I'd completely lost the will at this point. I really just wanted to be completely done. I was so tired. I'm still slightly suffering from when I was ill, but you know, scrubbed the leftover dye off of my scalp and blow dried my hair. I did put the products in it. I have another video with my hair care routine, and then she was finally done and I was so glad to be done and get in bed immediately afterwards. Hey guys, it's the next day. Obviously my hair is all done. This is it in sort of natural lighting. It's not hugely dark, obviously. It's pretty much just like a jean, like denim blue, I'd say. I still like it though. I think it came out nice. I do think I'm gonna go back to purple after this, probably like a really dark purple. Similar to like the Magic Shadow, I think it's called Magic Salem, I think. It's like they're really, really dark purple. So I think I'm gonna go back to that after this, but I do really like the blues. I'll probably revisit the blues again. I've just had a hard time getting it to stick to my hair. I don't know why, because I've dyed it blue 3 times with 3 different blue dyes, and it sticks, but I just don't feel like it sticks as well as the purples did. Like, I never had a problem with purples, and maybe it's just because red in those is so, like, I don't know, it just clings to hair. I have no idea. So yeah, that's my sort of verdict. If you want to buy hair from Lunar Tides, I have a discount code for that. If you want to buy hair dye from Arctic Fox, I have a discount code for that you are welcome to use. And if you want to follow me on any of my social medias, they will be linked down below as well. If you have any video suggestions, I am happy to hear them. I would love them because it's hard to know what to post because most people like my hair dyeing content, and obviously I can't just like pre-dye my hair every week. That would be very expensive. So yeah, any suggestions that you have, please let me know. And I'm going to insert some clips of my hair in natural lighting and of my hair in dark lighting as well, because obviously by the time I finished my hair today it was dark, so yeah, you'll get a mix of both. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next one.